Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw on Instagram messages. It's super fun and really easy to do. So first of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated. To do that, go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, simply tap on that. And once that's done, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your preferred account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of your screen to open your DMs. After that, open any chat where you want to send a drawing. Now, at the bottom of your screen on the right hand side, tap on the plus icon next to the message box. Here, you will see an option called Draw. Simply tap on that and your screen will turn into a drawing canvas. Now you can start drawing anything you like. You can even change the brush color or size using the tools at the top of your screen. And once you're happy with your drawing, simply tap on send and it will be sent as a message in the chat. Now if you don't see the draw option yet, don't panic because this feature is still rolling out gradually to all users. So just keep checking for new updates. And that's all for today's video. That's how you can draw on Instagram messages quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching till the very end and I'll see you in the next one.